Good morning, everyone. Another Workout Wednesday. April Dupree here with our fitness and nutrition expert, Mackie Showstone. Notice that we have these little fancy exercise bands. You can find these at any of your local sporting goods stores, but Mackie is going to show us over the next few weeks what's called the Mackie method. The reason why you look so amazing and everyone is so jealous of his life. We are focusing on hip, and butt blaster workouts. So the order of these are very important. You've seen us do these over the last few years, but the order of them is going to be super important. And of course, I'm going to get Mackie to share a little bit more about what he's going to do in detail. Notice that we're at the amazing NOPD's SWAT team headquarters. It is hot. If y'all can't see, our skin glistening, know that we are working and we want you to work too.
It is hot, and April is right. It's all about sequence. You've seen us do some of these exercises before where we've broken them down. Now I am going to show you the sequence that I use. It's the way the body functions, and this is the one we call the hip and the butt strengthening, if you want to call the word blaster. One set, 20 repetitions. It is going to create some work, and you will know it when you're done, but I'm using an elastic rubber band that costs about $3 on the internet. April will narrate.
Yeah, super affordable, guys. Again, you may be able to find these in store or definitely online. So notice that Mackie's gonna use this elastic band. I have the easier one. He has the more challenging one. You can use whatever level fits your comfort. He's gonna put that right above his knee joint. Notice that he's in a crunch position, hands behind the head, shoulders off the ground, going into that reverse crunch. Now, you don't have to have your head or hands off the ground. You can keep your arms by your side and your head down to make it a lot safer and easier for you. He's going into that bridge work. Notice that his knees are not wobbling in and out. They're staying consistently hip width apart. Feet are nice and flat. Hands behind the head. If you want to put your arms by your side and head down, you can as modification. Next exercise are called clams. This is a popular, actually, Pilates exercise, but of course a regular fitness training exercise as well. You can put that hand in front of you on the mat if you would like to make it a little bit more stable, and then he's going into those kickouts, lifting that opposite heel up to the sky. Opposite side, so what you do to one side, we want to do to the opposite side. And again, notice that that knee is going out of alignment, lifting that heel all the way up. He's going to lie down on his back, take that band off, put it onto the feet, hands still behind the head, chin off the chest, anchoring that low back, and going in more of a bicycle motion with the legs. Having that elastic band makes all of the difference, guys, of being able to bring one knee into the chest and that opposite leg extending. So super, super challenging. And how many, you only showed us a few reps as an example, but how many of these would you suggest that most people do, or at least start out with, to try?
Well, I started out with 5, but what I really do is to do 20 and maybe 2 sets. I want to do over 100 to 150 repetitions, is what I want to do. But I would start out light and do 5 to 10 and see what you feel like and see about form. We're doing a little bit faster because of the shortness of our segments, but take your time, work through it, and make sure that you're doing it correct.
Awesome. Yeah, try these at home, guys. They're incredible. And again, you don't have to go super fast. You can take as much time as you need. Mackie, until next week, join us, guys. Next Wednesday, we have much more planned for you. Of course, you can visit maxwellnutrition.com and find all of these workouts. And please visit wwltv.com and click on the Health tab. We'll see you next week.